So we are going to work on prepositions, but before that I will take everybody's one grammar test. That is, I'll ask you the questions regarding the tenses and you are answering me. I will ask you 12 questions. I will ask you 12 questions and you will get 1 mark for one question. And I will declare the result in the chat box, immediately in the chat box. So Ronak has got 10 marks out of 12. Okay. Now Aman will go further. Okay, Aman, answer me.
Okay, sir.
Do you teach Marathi?
Yes, I teach Marathi. No, I do not teach Marathi.
Did you teach Marathi?
Yes, I taught Marathi. No, I did not teach Marathi.
Will you teach Marathi?
Yes, I will teach Marathi. No, I will not teach Marathi.
Are you teaching Marathi?
Yes, I am teaching Marathi. No, I am not teaching Marathi.
Were you teaching Marathi?
Yes, I was teaching Marathi. No, I was not teaching Marathi.
Will you be teaching Marathi?
Yes, I will be teaching Marathi. No, I will not be teaching Marathi.
Have you taught Marathi?
Yes, I have taught Marathi. No, I have not taught Marathi.
Had you taught Marathi?
Yes, I had taught Marathi. No, I had not taught
Will
Marathi.
you have taught Marathi?
Yes, I will have taught Marathi. No, I will not have taught Marathi.
Have you been teaching Marathi?
Yes, I have been teaching Marathi. No, I have not been teaching Marathi.
Had you been teaching Marathi?
Yes, I had been teaching Marathi. No, I had not been teaching
Will
Marathi.
you have been teaching Marathi?
Yes, I will have been teaching Marathi. No, I will not be. No, I will not have been teaching Marathi.
Okay, very good. Now Aradhna ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you bring the vegetables?
Yes, I bring the vegetables. No, I do not bring the vegetables.
Did you bring the vegetables?
Yes, I brought the vegetables. No, I did not bring the vegetables.
Will you bring the vegetables?
Yes, I will bring the vegetables. No, I will not bring the vegetables.
Are you bringing the vegetables?
Yes, I am bringing the vegetables. No, I am not bringing the vegetables.
Ronak, answer it in mute status. Practice it. Were you bringing the vegetables?
Yes, I was bringing the vegetables. No, I was not bringing the vegetables.
Will you be bringing the vegetables?
Yes, I will be bringing the vegetables. No, I will not be bringing the vegetables.
Have you brought the vegetables?
Yes, I have brought the vegetables. No, I have not brought the vegetables.
Had you brought the vegetables?
Yes, I had brought the vegetables. No, I had not brought the vegetables.
Will you have brought the vegetables?
Yes, I will have brought the vegetables. No, I will have not brought the vegetables.
Have you been buying the vegetables?
Yes, yes. Sorry, sir.
Have you been bringing the vegetables?
Okay. Yes, I have bringing the vegetables. No, I have not been bringing the vegetables.
Had you been bringing the vegetables?
Yes, I had been bringing the vegetables. No, I had not been bringing the vegetables.
Will you have been bringing the vegetables?
Yes, I will have been bringing the vegetables. No, I will not have been bringing the vegetables.
Good job. 12 out of 12. Yeah. Rohit, do you take the decision? Rohit,
Yes, I take a decision. No, I do not take a decision.
did you take a decision?
Yes, I took a decision. No, I did not take a decision.
Will you take a decision?
Yes, I will take a decision. No, I will not take a decision.
Are you taking a decision?
Yes, I am taking a decision. No, I am not taking a decision.
Are you taking a decision?
Yes, I was taking a decision. No, I was not taking a decision.
Will you be taking a decision?
Yes, I will be taking a decision. No, I will not be taking a decision.
Have you taken a decision?
Yes, I have taken a decision. No, I have not taken a decision.
Had you taken a decision?
Yes, I
Yes.
had taken a decision. No, I had not taken a decision.
You have taken a decision.
Yes, I
Yes.
will have taken a decision. No, I will not have taken a decision.
Have you been taking a decision?
Yes, I have been taking a decision. No,
Yes.
I have not been taking a decision.
Had you been taking a decision?
Yes.
Yes, I had been taking a decision. No, I had not been taking a decision.
Will you have been taking a decision?
Yes, I will have be taking a decision. No, I will have not been taking a decision.
I will not have been taking a decision. Very good. Good job. Yeah, Nachiket.
Okay.
Okay. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper. I don't. No, I don't read the newspapers.
Did you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspapers. No, I didn't read the newspapers.
Will you read the newspaper?
Yes, I will read the newspaper. No, I will not read the newspaper.
Are you reading the newspaper?
Yes, I am reading the newspaper. No, I am not reading the newspapers.
Were you reading the newspaper?
Yes, I was reading the newspaper. No, I was not reading the newspapers.
Will you be reading the newspaper?
Yes, I will be reading the newspaper. No, I will not be reading the newspapers.
Have you read the newspaper?
Yes, I have read. I have read the newspaper. No, I have not read the newspapers.
Had you read the newspaper?
Yes, I had read the newspaper. No, I had not read the newspapers.
Will you have read the newspaper?
Yes, I will have read the newspapers. No, I will not have read the newspapers.
Have you been reading the newspaper?
Yes, I will have been read
Yes,
the
I
newspaper.
have been
Yes, I have been read the newspapers.
reading.
No, yes, I have been reading the newspaper. No, I will. I have not been reading the newspapers.
Had you been reading the newspaper?
Yes, I had been reading the newspaper. No, I had not been reading the newspapers.
Will you have been reading the newspaper?
Yes, I will have been reading the newspapers. No, I will not have been reading the newspapers.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Avedna, do you go to college?
Yes, I do go to I go to college. No, I don't go to college.
Did you go to college?
Yes, I go to college.
Yes, I went to college.
Yes, I went to college. No, I did not go to college.
Will you go to college?
Yes, I will go to college. No, I don't will go to college.
I will not go to college.
I will not go to college.
Are you going to college?
Yes, I will go to college.
Yes, I am going to college.
Yes, I am going to college. No, I am not going to college.
Were you going to college?
Yes, I were to go to college. No,
I was going to college.
I was not going to college.
Will you be going to college?
Yes, I will be going to college. No, I will be not going to college.
Have you gone to college?
Yes, I have gone to college. No, I am not gone to college.
Had you gone to college?
Yes, I had go to college. No, I had not go to college.
Gone.
Go to college.
Will you have gone to college?
Yes, I have go to college. No, I have
I
not
will not
gone.
have gone to college.
I
Have you
will
been
not-
going to college?
Yes, I have been going to college. No, I have been not going to college.
Will you have been going to college?
Yes, will you I sorry तर परत सांगा तुम्ही.
Will you have been going to college?
Yes, I will have been going to college. No, I will have been not going to college.
I will not have been going to college.
I
4
will have-
mistakes, 8 marks out of 12. Okay, just need to work on. Avedna. Tomorrow is the doubt session at 3 o'clock. Sorry, 3:30 to 4. 3:30 to 4. Ronak, Aman, Nachiket,
Yes, sir.
Avedna, everybody can join. Ganesh Pawar.
Yes, sir.
उद्या 3:30 वाजता एक डाऊट सेशन आहे, एक्स्ट्रा क्लास तुमचा अटेंड करायचा आहे.
ओके सर.
3:30 ते 4. ओके,
साहेब काय पण मी आपण ट्राय करतो सर, नाही का, कारण मी जॉबवर असतो.
असेल तर जॉईन करा, वेळ असेल तर जॉईन करा. ओके
हा.
ओके फाईन. नाउ हु इज लेफ्ट? युवराज जी.
Yes.
Do you play cricket?
Yes. Yes, I do. Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket. Simple. Yes, I
play
play cricket. No, I do
I-
not play cricket. Uttar da. Do you play cricket?
Yes, I do. I play cricket. I do not play cricket.
Correct. Did you play cricket?
Yes, I did. Did you?
शांतपणे उत्तर द्या सर. शांतपणे उत्तर द्या. आम्हाला कुणालाही घाई नाहीये. तुम्ही शांतपणे उत्तर द्या. Did you play cricket?
Yes, I did. Did you?
I
play-
सेकंड फॉर्म मध्ये उत्तर येणार सर. Did you play
Uh,
cricket?
Yes, I do have play cricket.
प्लेचं सेकंड फॉर्म काय होणार?
Played.
हा मग बोला. Yes,
I did you played cricket?
Yes, did
No,
you played नाही होत सर. Did you play होतं. Did आलं की फर्स्ट फॉर्म येतो आणि नसेल तर सेकंड फॉर्म येतो. Yes, I played.
I played
Did you
cricket.
play cricket? Yes, I played cricket. No, I did not play cricket. उत्तर द्या शांतपणे. उत्तर द्या.
Yes,
Did you play
I-
cricket? अरे घाई करू नका. Did you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Played second form. Did you play
I
cricket?
played cricket. I played cricket. No, I did not play cricket.
हा अनेकदा सेम उत्तर द्या. कॉन्फिडन्स येऊन जाईल. Did you play cricket?
Yes, I played cricket. आणि no, I did not play cricket.
अनेकदा. Did you play cricket?
Yes, I played cricket. No, I did not play cricket.
Very good. Will you play cricket?
Yes, I will played cricket.
प्लेड
No.
कसं येणार? प्लेड फक्त एकाच ठिकाणी येतं तिथं आणि परफेक्टला येतं. विल यू प्ले म्हणलं. ऐका. विल यू प्ले क्रिकेट?
Yes, I will play cricket. No, I will not play cricket.
करेक्ट. आर यू प्लेइंग क्रिकेट?
Yes, are you playing cricket?
येस, आय एम.
I am playing cricket. No, I am not playing cricket.
वर यू प्लेइंग क्रिकेट? येस, आय वॉज
Yes, I was playing cricket.
प्लेइंग.
No, I will not.
I was not.
I was not playing cricket.
Will you be playing cricket?
Yes, I will be playing cricket. No, I will not playing cricket.
I will not be.
I will not be. I
Playing-
will not be playing cricket.
Have you played cricket?
Yes, have you?
Yes, I have played cricket.
Yes, I have played cricket. No, I have not playing cricket.
Played. सर फॉर्म सर.
Played cricket.
ऐकल्यावर उत्तर देणार. तुमच्या मनानं उत्तर येत नाही ते. ऐकून उत्तर येत असतं. उत्तर हे ऐकून येत असतं आणि प्रश्न हे मनानं येत असतात.
चालेल.
Have you played cricket?
Yes, I have played cricket.
Correct.
No, I have not playing cricket.
काल
Played.
कधी उत्तर हे ऐकूनच कळतात आणि प्रश्न हे मनानं तयार होतात. ओके. हॅड यू प्लेड क्रिकेट?
Yes, I had playing cricket.
प्लेइंग कुठं?
I had-
प्लेइंग म्हटलंच नाही. हॅड यू प्लेड क्रिकेट?
I had played cricket. No, I had not playing cricket. Played cricket.
ओके. विल यू हॅव प्लेड क्रिकेट?
Yes, I will have played cricket. No, I will not played cricket.
हॅव यू बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट?
Yes, have been.
आय हॅव बीन. शांतपणे.
Yes,
आय
have been.
हॅव बीन.
Yes, I have been playing cricket. No, I have been not
आय
playing cricket.
हॅव नॉट बीन.
I have not been playing cricket.
हॅड यू बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट?
Yes, I had you been playing
आय
cricket.
हॅड बीन.
I had been. Had you been playing
येस,
cricket?
आय हॅड बीन.
Yes, had been playing cricket. No, I will.
आय हॅड नॉट बीन.
No, I had
नॉट
I-
बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट.
not playing cricket.
विल यू हॅव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट?
Yes, I will be. Yes,
हॅव बीन.
yes, I will have been playing cricket. No, I will not
हॅव बीन प्लेइंग
have
क्रिकेट.
been playing cricket.
Okay, 8 marks out of 12. Chan kelam. Okay, so in this way you are going to work on Ganesh Pawar. Ganesh Pawar. Ganesh,
Yes, sir. Yes,
answer
sir.
me. Do
Okay, sir.
you take a bike?
Sorry, sir.
Do you take a bike?
Yes, yes. I do take a bike. No, no. I do not take a bike.
Did you take a bike?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did was take a bike.
I
No,
took a bike.
yes, I took a bite. No, I am not took
I
a
did
bite.
not
I did not took a bite.
take a bike.
Take a bite.
Will you
Bike.
take a bike?
Sorry, sir.
Will you take a bike?
Yes, yes, yes. I will take a bite. Bike. No, I will not take a bike.
Are you taking a bike?
Yes, yes. I am taking a bike. No, I am not taking a bike.
Were you taking a bike?
वरील सर was येणार ना?
हाँ.
ठीक आहे. Yes, I was taking a bike. No, I was not taking a bike.
Will you be taking a bike?
Yes, I will be.
I will be.
Yes, I will be taking a bike. No, I will not be taking a bike.
Have you taken a bike?
Yes, I have taken a bike. No, I have not taken a bike.
Had you taken a bike?
Yes, yes, I had taken a bike. No, I had not taken a bike.
Will you have taken a bike?
Yes, yes, I will have taken a bike. Bike. No, I will not have taken a bike.
Have you been taking a bike? शांत बसायचं नाही युवराजजी.
Yes,
उत्तर द्यायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. Have you been
Yes.
taking a bike?
No.
Yes, yes,
I have been.
yeah, yes, I have been taking a bike. Bike. No, I have not taken a bike.
Had you been taking a bike?
Yes, I had been taking a bike. No, I had not been taking a bike.
Will you have been taking a bike?
Yes, yes, I will have been taking a bike. No, I will not have been taking a bike.
Very good. Good job. Good job. You got 11 marks out of 12. In this way, we have completed the tense oral exam.
सर मला पण विचार.
Okay, हाँ. Swati ji. Do you keep the promise?
Yes, I keep the promise. No, I did not keep the promise.
Did you keep the promise?
Yes, I kept the promise. No, I did not keep the promise.
Will you keep the promise?
Yes, I will keep the promise. No, I will not keep the promise.
Are you keeping the promise?
Yes, I am keeping the promise. No, I am not keeping the promise.
Were you keeping the promise?
Yes, I was keeping the promise. No, I was not keeping the promise.
Will you be keeping the promise?
Yes, I will be keeping the promise. No, I will not be keeping the promise.
Have you kept the promise?
Yes, I have kept the promise. No, I have not kept the promise.
Had you kept the promise?
Yes, I had kept the promise. No, I had not kept the promise.
Will you have kept the promise?
Yes, I will have na sir.
Will you have kept the promise?
Yes, I will keep the promise.
I will have.
Yes, I will have kept the promise. No, I will have not kept the promise.
Have you been keeping the promise?
Yes, I will keeping.
I have been.
Yes, I have been keeping the promise. No, I have been not keeping the promise.
Had you been keeping the promise?
Yes, I had been keeping the promise. No, I had been.
I had not been.
I had not been keeping the promise.
Will you have been keeping the promise?
Will you
have been keeping the promise?
Yes, I will have been keeping the promise. No, I will not have been keeping the promise.
Got it? Good job. 12 out of 12. In this way, we talked about all the tenses and we have taken a test on these tenses. Now I am going to have a short discussions with you all. Short discussion with you all based on the WH questions and yes no type questions based on the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Okay, just repeat after me, everybody. I will just tell you how to ask the questions. It is very simple, but we take a lot of stress to ask the questions. So I just want everybody not to take the stress of asking the questions. Why? Because it is a very simple job to ask the questions. It is a very simple job to ask the questions. So do not take the stress to ask the questions. Do not take the stress to ask the questions. All right. So do not take the stress to ask the questions and just stay comfortable and cool while asking the questions. Because while asking the questions, you should be alert and nothing. You should just concentrate on the question, the format of that question. The format of that question. Understand? The format of that question. Suppose if somebody asks you, do you go to college? Okay, suppose somebody asks you, do you go to college? Okay. Then what should be your answer? Everybody, what should be your answer?
Yes, I go to college. No,
Yes, I go
do
to
not
I
go
college.
to
go
college.
to college. Okay.
Not go
If
to
you go to
college.
college, then you are answering yes, I go to college. And then what should be your question? That is very important. What should be your question? Suppose Manish asks you, do you go to college? Then suppose here is Aman. Okay, so Aman will answer it, yes, I go to college. Okay, yes, I go to college. All right, yes, I go to college. Suppose Manish asks you, okay, suppose Manish asks you,
Sir, you are not audible.
do you go to college? Suppose Manish asks you, do you go to college? Then what should be the answer of? What should be the answer of? What should be the answer of Aman? What should be the answer of Aman? What should be the answer of Aman?
Yes, I go to college.
Yes, I go to college. All right.
Yes, sir.
But now the conversation starts. Now the real conversation starts. If Aman will ask the questions, then what would happen? Aman will be the winner of the conversation. Understand? But if Aman will not ask the questions, and if the Manish will keep asking the questions, then Aman will not have impact of conversations. The person who asks the questions is the winner of the conversation always. Understand? Who is the real winner of Kaun Banega Crorepati? Amitabh Bachchan or the participants?
The participants.
The participants.
No. Participants earn just 1 crore rupees. But Amitabh Bachchan earns for every 5 minutes 1 crore rupees. Understand? So who is the real winner of Kaun Banega Crorepati?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah. The villain the actor, the hero who asked the questions to the villain, who asked the questions to the villain. Understand? So he is the hero of the movie, and the villain who just answers the questions of the hero, he is the villain of that movie. Understand? So if there is an IAS officer and one second grade officer, who will ask the questions? An IAS officer will ask the questions, or a second grade officer will ask the questions? Who will ask the questions?
Sir, IAS officer.
So I am telling you that always the person who asks the questions is the winner. Always the person who asks the questions is the winner. If Manish will ask the questions and Aman will answer the questions, who is the winner here?
Sir, Manish is the winner in
And
this
if
situation.
Manish answers the questions and Aman asks the questions, then who is the winner?
Sir, Aman is the winner
Got
in
it?
this.
So now you have got one question. So Aman does not have any knowledge, but now he can use that sentence. Do you go to college? युवराजजी बघा, फक्त आपल्याकडे तो डू यू गो टू कॉलेज हा शब्द आहे. तो शब्द ऐकून फक्त अमन काय करू शकतो, इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलू शकतो. मग अमन कॅन आस्क वन मोर क्वेश्चन्स टू मनीष. अंडरस्टँड? अमन
Sir,
कॅन आस्क one more questions to Manish. Which question
if
can
sir-
you? No, please. Aman, just wait for a minute. Let me explain everything. Okay. So Aman can ask the question. Aman can ask the questions. Which question? Same question. Do you go to college? Understand? Do you go to college? Then Manish will answer the question. Yes, I go to college. Then Aman will not stop. Aman will ask again question. When do you go to college? When do you go to college?
How do you go to college?
Understand? Then Aman will not stop. Aman will not stop. Okay. So Aman will ask the questions like, when do you, sorry. Okay, do you go to college, right? This was the first question. Do you go to college? Okay. हे लक्षात ठेवा, कसं प्रश्नातून प्रश्न तयार करायचे आहेत तुम्हाला. प्रश्नातून प्रश्न तयार करायचे आहेत, त्यामुळे तुम्ही ऐकलं पाहिजे. जर ऐकलं नाही तर प्रश्नच तयार करता येणार नाहीत. ओके. देन अमन विल आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन्स. व्हेन डू यू गो टू कॉलेज? व्हेन डू यू गो टू? काही अमलनं काही केलं नाही, फक्त ऐकलेलं आहे, बाकी काही केलेलं नाही. देन अमन विल आस्क टू क्वेश्चन्स. ऍट व्हॉट? ओके. विथ whom do you go to college? This is very important questions. With whom do you go to college?
How do you go to college?
With whom do you go to college? Then Amal will ask again questions. How do you go to college? How do you go to college? Understand? So Aman will make the questions from the questions of Manish only. Do you go to college was the Manish question. Aman will ask, yes, I go to college. Do you? Okay, ask me Aman now. Okay, I am Manish, you are Aman. Do you go to college?
Yes, I go to college. Do you go to college?
Yes, I go to college.
When do you go to college?
I go to college in the morning at 10 o'clock.
With whom do you go to college?
I go to college with my brother.
How do you go to college?
I go to college by bicycle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understand everybody? So it is that much simple. भरपूर सरळ आहे, ह्याला काय अवघड करण्यासारखं काहीच नाहीये. Understand? So it is not difficult. All right. Now suppose we'll talk about Ronak. Okay. Ronak. Suppose Meena asked to Ronak, do you play cricket? About past. Did you play cricket yesterday? Did you play cricket yesterday? Okay. Did you play cricket yesterday? Then what will be the response of Ronak? Ronak's response will be, yes, I played cricket. Second form, yes, I played cricket. Then Ronak will ask him back, okay, when did you play cricket? Okay, did you play cricket? Did you play cricket yesterday? Okay, then Ronak will ask again question, when did you play cricket yesterday? Got it, Ronak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when did you play cricket yesterday? When did you play cricket? Then which question will ask Ronak? Ronak, ask the questions. With whom did you play cricket? Same questions you are changing in different WH questions. Okay, where did you play cricket?
How did you play cricket?
Okay. Why did you play cricket? That is also correct. Why did you play cricket? Okay. Got it? Now, Ronak, you are going to ask me questions. I am Meena and you are Ronak. Did you play cricket yesterday?
Yes, I played cricket yesterday.
Okay.
Did you play cricket yesterday?
Okay, got it, everybody. This is important role. If you do not ask the questions, the conversation will be stopped.
Did you play cricket
Understand?
yesterday?
Ronak did not ask the questions. Then conversation was stopped. When the Ronak started asking the questions, the conversation got continued. So the conversation, if you want to continue the conversations, then you need to ask the questions. That is the real secret of getting fluency in English. Okay, Meena. I am Meena, you are Ronak. Did you play cricket yesterday?
Yes, I played cricket yesterday. Did you play cricket yesterday?
Yes, I played cricket yesterday.
When did you play cricket yesterday?
I played cricket in the evening yesterday.
With whom did you play cricket yesterday?
I played cricket with my friends.
Where did you play cricket yesterday?
I played cricket at the back of my society.
Why did you play cricket yesterday?
I played cricket to practice my next match. Got it, everybody? It is that much simple. छोटे conversations तुम्ही आता चालू करायचं आहे. आराधना जी, गॉट इट? छोटे कॉन्वर्सेशन ऐसे बोलना है आपको. समझ में आया जी? अब देखो आराधना जी का देखते हैं. आराधना जी, okay, get the screenshot of this. If you find it is important, they get the screenshot of it, or you can buy the. Okay, now suppose.
सर मैंने नहीं निकाला.
अब रहने दो, अब गया हो. Now suppose if there is Aradhana, so Meenakshi, okay, Pritam is there, Pritam ask Meenakshi, do you watch YouTube channels, YouTube videos? Okay, do you watch YouTube videos? This was the question of Pritam. Or future, we'll take a future. Okay, will you go to picnic tomorrow? Will you go to picnic tomorrow? Okay, this was the question of Pritam. Then how will Aradhana answer? Aradhana, answer me quick. Aradhana, answer me.
Yes, sir. Yes, I will. Yes, I will go to picnic tomorrow.
Yes, I will go to picnic tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Then Aradhana will be stopped, or what will Aradhana do to continue the communication?
Okay, sir. And will you go to picnic tomorrow?
Yeah, Aradhana will ask the same questions to Pritam. Will you go to picnic tomorrow? Same question. Picnic tomorrow. Then what will then Pritam will answer it. Then what will Aradhana do?
When will you go to picnic tomorrow?
Correct. When will you go to picnic tomorrow? When will you go to picnic tomorrow?
And with
Next.
whom will
Okay.
you,
Okay. Then what will be the next question?
with whom will you go to picnic tomorrow?
With whom will you go to picnic tomorrow? Okay. Then next question.
How will you go to picnic tomorrow?
How will you go to picnic tomorrow?
And where will you go to picnic tomorrow?
Okay, correct. Where will you go to picnic tomorrow? Where will you go to picnic tomorrow? Okay, these are very important conversations. Now, Preetham, I am Preetham and Aradhna. Aradhna, we are going to have a communication. Okay, will you go to picnic tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to picnic tomorrow. And will you go to picnic tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to picnic tomorrow.
Okay, when will you go to picnic tomorrow?
I will go to picnic in the morning tomorrow.
With whom will you go to picnic tomorrow?
I will go to picnic with my family members.
How will you go to picnic tomorrow?
I will go to picnic by my car tomorrow.
Where will you go to picnic tomorrow?
I will go to picnic to Mahabaleshwar tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So in this way, if you are practicing English, then everybody will start speaking in English. So I want everybody to start speaking in English. Okay, Ganesh. So 3 tenses are very important. Now, okay, now Ganesh, answer me.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Ganesh, if there is Abhishek will ask to Ganesh, okay, do you read the newspaper? Do you read the newspaper? So what will Abhishek answer? What will Abhishek answer?
Yes, I will read the newspaper.
No, this is simple present tense, Abhishek. This is simple present tense. Ganesh will answer, yes, I read the newspaper. Yes, I read the newspaper. Okay, now what will Ganesh do?
When do you read the newspaper?
Ganesh will ask the first question. Which question Ganesh will ask?
Do you read the newspaper?
Yeah, do you read the newspaper? Okay, do you read the newspaper? Then what will be the next? What will Ganesh do next?
When do you read the newspaper?
When do you read the newspaper? Correct. What will be the next question?
Where do you read the newspaper?
Where do you read the newspaper? Where do you read the newspaper? Correct.
How many?
The next question.
How many pages do you read the newspaper?
Okay, which newspaper do you read? Simple. Okay, very important question.
I can say असं म्हणत होतं की तू आणि किती पेजेस वाचतोस म्हणजे how much do you?
How many pages of newspaper do you read? How many pages of newspaper do you read? Okay, and last is which? Which news?
Which do you read the newspaper?
Which newspaper do you read? Got it? Now we'll do the conversation, Ganesh. Okay. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspapers. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper.
When do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the library.
How many pages of newspaper do you read?
I read 3 pages of newspaper.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read the Times of India. Got it, everybody? Okay, got it, everybody? Avedna, answer me now. Abhishek, I am Abhishek, and Avedna, you are Ganesh. Okay. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper.
When do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the library.
How many pages of newspaper do you read?
I read 3 pages of newspaper.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read the Times of India. Okay, Yuvrajji. Yuvrajji, ask the questions. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper. Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper.
When do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the library.
How many pages of newspaper do you read?
I read 3 pages of newspaper.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read Sakar. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
In this way, today we had a great discussion, and I just showed you how you can make a lot of questions also, and how you can communicate with others in the simplest way. In the simplest way. आपलं डोकं चालवायची गरजच नाहीये. आपलं डोकं चालवायची गरजच नहीं. अपना खुद का ब्रेन लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आगे वाला जो पूछता है उसी को ब्रेन लेना है और उसी को क्वेश्चन बनाना है. उसको सिर्फ सवाल पूछ के उसको लीड करना है, उसको जीतना है. अंडरस्टैंड? आगे वाले को जीतना है तो सवाल पूछना चालू करो. यदि आप जवाब देते जाओगे ना तो आप उसके टीम में रहोगे, लेकिन आप यदि सवाल पूछेंगे ना तो वो आपकी टीम में रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? तो आपको सोचना है कि आपको उसके टीम में जाना है कि वो आपके टीम में रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? So if you want to win, you should have a team. You should not be in team. आपको यदि जीतना है, बड़ा बनना है तो आपकी खुद की टीम रखो. और यदि आपको किसी को और को जिताना है तो किसी और के टीम में शामिल हो जाओ. अंडरस्टैंड? सो आपको मालिक बनना है, बड़ा बनना है तो आपको खुद की टीम रखनी होगी. So you should know how to ask the questions. All right? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
All right. So in this way, we have talked a lot about today's syllabus. Tomorrow also we are going to have a great fun. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.